I just wanted to share a repair tip when repairing on a PS4 Slim. This is the PS4 Slim version that has the plastic rivets at the top, making it nearly impossible to take apart from the top unless you melt it. So basically, you have to gut the whole machine and take it out through the bottom. And this is the loading deck after you've got it out. And the problem with this is many of these get damaged by people hitting them from the top or setting something real heavy on the top, and they get bent and they won't eject and load or play the disc properly. So basically you take them apart and you straighten it out, and there's no way to really know until you put it back in, if it's straightened out or not. So what I do is hook up a 9-volt battery, and what you want to do is put the to load the disc, you want to put the positive lead on this one right here and the negative right there. And you don't want to just hold it on constantly because you might strip a gear. You just want to kind of do it a little bit at a time, kind of bump it. I'm gonna have to put the camera down to actually do this because it takes two hands to do it, but I'll sit over here so maybe you can see how I'm going to do it. And you put the disc in to start with, obviously. So I'm fixing to do this. Now, like I said, I'm going to have to lay the camera. Sorry for not having a better camera set up, everyone. Let's see. Maybe you can see it from there. I'm putting the disc in. Just put it in just a little ways. And even though the colors may not, I don't have a black lead, so see, I'm just kind of bumping it a little bit at a time because you want to go in enough to where you can basically move this around and you can see the disc turn. That means it's fully on there, and it's on the disc spindle now. Okay. And it also lets you know that the disc can spin freely, because a lot of times they might be damaged in such a way that they're bent and the disc won't spin freely. But if you can do it like this and you can see the disc spinning freely, you're probably good to go as far as the disc spinning. Now we need to make sure that it's going to eject. So we're going to reverse our leads and put negative over here on the right and positive on the left. Okay, slipped off. And you want to do it the same way. Like I say, don't just hold it straight down because you might strip a gear. But that's basically all there is to it. And it saves a lot of time, because if I'd had to put this back in, you pull the motherboard, the metal shield, everything. It takes a little while to do. So doing it this way, you can have a pretty good idea if it's gonna work or not before you put it back together. So I hope this will save someone some time, and thanks for watching.